So today we'll discuss about Cisco 1000i. So here is the console of Cisco 1000i. So this Cisco 1000i, this is a trial console basically, and I have just enabled a trial license here. So in Cisco 1000i, what is the role of 1000i? Let us understand. So Cisco system 1000i, often called Cisco 1000i, is a network intelligence and monitoring platform that help organization to show their application, see how their application and internet services performing across the entire network. So basically, hope by hope, you will be able to see your services. For example, now think of it as giving you X-ray vision, internet performance, cloud performance, internal network, endpoint user experience, end-to-end visibility, real-time monitoring, path visualization, root cause analysis. So lot more thing it will give you. It will also help you troubleshooting slow apps like Microsoft 365 or Zoom, monitor remote workforce connectivity. So lot more thing you can do here. So it is not a normal, you can say, SNMP kind of tool, or not a kind of NPM or NTA tool. So basically Cisco 1000i is a powerful tool to monitor, troubleshoot network and internet performance across digitally supply chain. So now here there's some difference between, you can say, if you here it is saying, if you want I can explain in super simple analogy compare with tools like Datadog or SolarWinds. So there is a difference. So if I say please tell, so this is the benefit of the AI. It will give us the difference between Cisco 1000i and also basically the difference between your another tool. For example, here it has given some example. Cisco 1000i can tell you where the delay is happening, which route has been taken, who is responsible. So these kind of thing it can tell. Now if you compare with Datadog or if you compare with SolarWinds, so it focus on internal IT infrastructure, it based on SNMP, or it based on S-flow, J-flow kind of thing. But here it is different. So it focus entire journey, user to internet, cloud, app. So hope by hope you will be able to see where the problem is there. So this is the benefit of Cisco 1000i. So Datadog or SolarWind, basically it work inside your network, and 1000i like entire internet path. You can compare it with the you can say ZDX as well. Okay, and what is ZDX? Basically, that is your Zscaler digital experience. So here's the console of Cisco 1000i. So to start with, what I have done basically, I have gone here network and app synthesis, and I went to agent setting. And in agent setting, what I have done here basically, I have add a new enterprise agent. So I chose here the appliance. I have Hyper-V. I have downloaded the zip. Once I have downloaded the zip, I have unzipped here. You can see, let me show you the path. So I have a VM. I have unzipped here Cisco 1000i. Now I am going to create an appliance and register the appliance with the help of this key basically. So let me do it. So I'm going to my Hyper-V. So let us minimize this. So this is my Hyper-V and action. And now we are going to import the virtual machine. Next, and folder path I'm going to give where I have exported my data. So I'm going to VM, and here I have 1000i's appliance. I have selected this folder and hit next, and copy the virtual machine, create a new unique ID, hit next, and it will give you some summary that where you are going to store the virtual machine configuration file. So it's up to you where you can store. So I am storing in the same folder, so that everything would be there on one place. So it's your choice basically, where do you want to store it. So I'm storing it here only. So this is my path where I'm going to store. It's up to you, you can store anywhere else. So I have given the path. So I'm storing everything here. next, and it is also giving us that change where do you want to store the imported virtual hard disk. For this virtual machine I am giving the same path. Okay, and now I am hitting next, and after hitting next I will hit finish. So it will start copying the files. When file copy will happen, then I will resume this video and I will come back. So as you can see, my agent is installed. So let me start this. So it is booting up basically, and before booting up we should think do one thing that is most important here, that we should connect to correct network interfaces so that we will get internet. So I am connecting it to default switch so that it will be able to connect to internet. Now it is booting up, as we can see here. So it is starting up. So let it start. When it will completely start, I will come back. I think it has started. Now it has given me the IP, and it is saying me that open with this IP 172.24.250.20, and admin and welcome is the password which is given to me. So let us do this. So let me, so admin 172.24.215.20. So let me open this, and I have opened this advanced, proceed, and the username was admin and welcome. So admin and welcome. So it will ask me basically some details, and we have to fill that details. So it is redirecting me and checking the settings. Now current password, welcome, and you can change your password as well. I'm changing my password. Now here I will also change the password. Now change password. So I have changed my password. Now account group token, that account group token I need to copy from here and paste it there. So I'm just pausing my screen during this activity, and let me copy paste and I will come back. So I have copy pasted my token, and here browser bot yes, and enable crash report yes, and we will hit continue. So as we will hit continue, it will show agent is initializing. It will take some time in initializing, not much, but it should initialize. So I am pausing the video. When it will initialize, I will come back. So as you can see, it is initializing, and some warning we are getting, and initially many thing was, you can say, red, but slowly it will basically become green, and you will be able to see everything is green basically. And once it is done, I will click on complete. So let us wait for some time, and I will click on complete afterwards. So I think it is done. Now let me click on complete. Now it has taken IP and everything basically from DSCP, because I have DSCP configured. And rest of the setting, I think these settings are good. And we will click on save changes. And we don't require anything, and we need not to save changes. So everything is good. Now let us go to the portal, and on the portal we will be able to see that my 1000i is showing, and 1 minute ago it has registered. If I click here, so we will be able to see the setting that 1000i, and from my IP it has taken territory India, Haryana, and agent group, everything it has taken basically. And if you go advanced setting, then in an advanced setting you will be able to see these things basically, that it is not behind net, it is directly connected basically. And agent status, it will show what is the uptime, all details. Now this is done. Now we are going to create some sample test, so that we will be able to perform testing for some websites from my system.